Welcome to the virtual release of the Unverferth Raptor Strip-Tillage tool. The benefits of strip tillage are real, and more operations are turning to this value-adding tillage practice to save fuel, increase yield, and deliver nutrients right where they're needed. By tilling just the strip that is planted into, we retain the organic matter in the topsoil, reduce erosion, and conserve fuel because we don't need the horsepower to till across the entire machine. The shank on the Raptor Strip-Tillage tool can slice through compaction up to 12 inches deep, so your roots will grow deeper for increased yield. And if you decide to deliver fertilizer with your strip-tillage tool, it is placed right where the plant needs it for quick and efficient uptake. When we set out to develop a strip-tillage tool, it was our goal to create a row unit that would work in varying soil conditions, offer consistent tillage depth across the entire machine, provide a narrow transport width, and have the ability to deliver fertilizer as an all-in-one package, all from the same manufacturer. After feedback from growers all across North America, the end result was the Raptor Strip-Tillage tool, models 2030 and 2015, with the innovative Terrain Pro row unit. But don't just take my word for it. Let's check out the Unverferth Raptor Strip-Tillage tool in action. Wow, as you can see from those video clips, this innovative machine is unlike any other strip tillage tool that's currently available. The Raptor is available as a 12 or 16 row pull type machine, as shown here, that can be equipped with an integrated dry or liquid fertilizer system or just as a tillage implement. We also offer 6, 8, and 12 row 3-point Raptor tillage tools that can be equipped with optional fertilizer shank attachments and an optional rear pull hitch for towing your own fertilizer cart. So let's start with the innovative Terrain Pro row unit that is standard on all models of Raptor strip tillage tools. The key to the Raptor's consistent tillage depth and fertilizer placement is the independent floating row unit. Each row unit can free float independently from the other and provides up to 7 inches of upward travel and 4 inches of downward travel to follow field contours. This ensures that each shank runs at the same depth, which leads to even plant emergence and fertilizer placement across the entire toolbar. At the front of the Terrain Pro row unit, we have a 20-inch lead coulter that features 1,500 pounds of down pressure, 10 degrees of side-to-side swivel, and 6-bolt greasable hubs that have 5 layers of seal protection. This lead coulter slices through residue and creates a path for our shank. Following the coulter, we have our 15-inch diameter free-floating row cleaners with independent up and down travel, which clears residue from the strip. The curved design of the finger wheels prevents trash from wrapping, and the width adjustable mounting arms allow the operator to adapt the row cleaner to varying conditions. These row cleaners feature 4-bolt hubs with triple lip seals and tapered roller bearings for long-term trouble-free use. If the operator would like to increase the down pressure of the row cleaners, we have standard add-on weights that can be added. Behind the row cleaner, you can see our 16-inch diameter crowfoot depth control wheel. As we talked about earlier, each row unit can follow ground contours independently from the other, and this wheel is what maintains each row unit's depth. The crowfoot design prevents mud, rocks, and other debris from building up, which allows the operator to get in the field sooner. In extremely rocky soils, we do have an optional Rock Guard crowfoot depth control wheel with standard reinforcing rings, or we have an optional rubber wheel that can be used for the depth control in lieu of the crowfoot wheel. One thing to note is each row unit features parallel linkage for consistent up and down travel across the entire toolbar. Next on the Terrain Pro row unit is our shank. We have 2 models of Raptor available which include a model 2030 with an auto reset shank and a model 2015 with an economical shear bolt shank design. The auto reset shank features 2,000 pounds of point load pressure and will trip rearward and upward when coming into contact with an obstacle, and then automatically reset back into the soil once the obstacle is cleared. The shear bolt shank features 5,000 pounds of shear pressure and provides an economical design for use in lighter soils with minimal obstacles. The shank can till from 6 inches to 12 inches deep and features tool-free height adjustment with a convenient depth gauge so you can quickly and easily adjust each row to the proper depth. As we move down the shank, you can see our 1.5-inch integrated wear bar, standard bolt-on abrasion-resistant shank wear plates, and replaceable 2.25-inch wide cast iron point, which all contribute to the durability and effective tillage action of the Terrain Pro Row unit. Just behind and on each side of the shank, we have our 18-inch diameter notched concave closing quarters that keeps the soil in the path of the rear conditioning basket. Each quarter blade can free float independently from the other to keep constant ground contact, and the tool-free width and angle adjustment of each blade allows you to easily change the width of the strip and the height of the berm. To adjust the down pressure of the closing quarters, we can add or remove the spring spacers to control the amount of soil for the strip. The closing quarters utilize 6-bolt hubs with triple lip seals for long-term trouble-free use. The final component of our innovative Terrain Pro Row unit is the rear conditioning baskets. The 14-inch diameter crowfoot conditioning baskets break up clods, condition the strip, and feature a unique design that reduces the chance of the basket plugging in sticky soil. This is a really effective design because each crowfoot basket wheel spins independently from the other, and down where they contact the ground, they interlock to break up clods and condition the soil. As the baskets rotate up, they actually separate from each other, and this allows each basket to wick away any soil buildup. The conditioning baskets feature tool-free adjustable down pressure so you can fine-tune it to match your soil profile. We also have some different conditioning baskets available to match different soil profiles. The optional 15-inch diameter rolling harrow basket increases the tillage action, and the optional 15-inch wide rubber press wheel kit provides added soil firming in lieu of the standard crowfoot basket. When running in extremely rocky conditions, we do have an optional 6-inch extension kit for the rear conditioning basket for added clearance between the closing quarters and the rear basket. So now you can see how the Terrain Pro Row unit stands apart from any other strip tillage tool in the industry. The independent free-floating row units and innovative ground engaging components ensure that you get consistent tillage depth across the entire machine and don't have to continually stop to break mud and debris free. Now let's move on to our frame and toolbar design. First, our 3-point frames or MT models are available as a 6, 8, or 12 row machine with 30, 36, or 38-inch row spacing. The 3-point frames with an auto reset shank are referred to as a model 2030 MT, while 3-point frames with a shear bolt shank are referred to as a model 2015 MT. We've utilized this same 3-point frame on our field-proven Zone Builder and Ripper Stripper tillage tools for many years, and it features an all-welded construction with a 6-inch by 6-inch rear mounting bar for maximum durability. The 3-point hitch connection provides a compact design for greater maneuverability and can accommodate a wide variety of tractor 3-point hitch styles for easy hookup. The frame can be powder coated in your choice of tractor red or green and features transport lighting and reflective markings as standard. The standard tool-free adjustable stabilizer wheels with large diameter tires allow you to quickly adjust the height of the toolbar and also provides added stability in the field. As we noted earlier, if you want to pull your own fertilizer cart behind your 3-point Raptor tillage tool, we do have an optional rear hitch with length and height adjustment that can tow up to 14,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight. To deliver fertilizer in the row, we do have an optional dry or liquid fertilizer shank attachment for our 3-point models. Now, let's move on to our pull-type models of Raptor that are available as a 12 or 16 row with 30-inch spacing as shown here. Pull-type frames with auto-reset shanks and no fertilizer are referred to as a Model 2030 ST, while shearbolt shank pull-type frames with no fertilizer are referred to as a Model 2015 ST. If you equip your pull-type Raptor Strip-Tillage tool with our dry or liquid fertilizer system, the model number changes from an ST to a DT for dry tank or LT for liquid tank. The pull-type Raptor features a heavy-duty 7-inch by 7-inch toolbar for reliable operation, and the toolbar wings can flex 15 degrees above and 5 degrees below horizontal to follow field contours. Out on the wings, we have standard 9.5L by 15 stubble guard tires for added stability in the field. One of the big things that we focused on during the development of the Raptor Strip-Tillage tool was the transport width. The toolbar folds forward, and then the row units fold up hydraulically, and this provides a narrow transport width of 13 feet 6 inches so you can easily travel from field to field. The standard hydraulic jack, Category 4 bull pull hitch, safety chain, and transport lighting all contribute to easier storage and safer road travel. Just like our 3-point models, you can get your pull-type Raptor frame painted in tractor green or red, which provides a high-quality, long-lasting finish. ST models without a fertilizer cart feature single 380/90 by 46 wheels and tires and require 3 SCV hydraulic remotes on the tractor. One for the toolbar raise and lower, one for the toolbar fold and unfold, and then one for the hydraulic jack. Finally, we'd like to review the 2 different fertilizer systems that are available for the Raptor Strip-Tillage tool. If you're looking to maximize your crop yield, reduce the amount of fertilizer being applied, and place the nutrients right where the plant needs them, adding a dry or liquid fertilizer system to your strip tillage operation is the right move. Unverferth is proud to offer an innovative strip tillage tool and fertilizer application system that can be easily integrated together directly from one manufacturer. Both our dry and liquid fertilizer systems are located behind the toolbar, which gives the operator better visibility of the row units when running in the field, and also permits easy filling of the tank from behind the machine. Both the liquid and dry fertilizer systems are standard with a Raven RCM isobus controller, which allows the operator to control the rate from the tractor's virtual terminal screen, and this integrates with section control and preloaded field prescriptions. Both fertilizer systems are also standard with dual 380/90 by 46 wheels and tires for increased flotation and better stability. Our DT models, as shown here, feature dual custom molded poly tanks, so you can apply 1 or 2 products at the same time, each with variable rate. Each tank features a 6-ton capacity for a total capacity of 12 tons of dry product, and a standard scale system to monitor and weigh the contents in the tank. The scale integrates with the Raven RCM isobus controller for accurately tracking the amount of dry product being applied, and this also permits convenient rate calibration. The ergonomic ladder and platform allow you to easily access the top of the tank, where you'll find dual LED spotlights for easier filling at night and weather-tight lids to protect the fertilizer inside the tank. The system is powered by a high-output, hydraulically operated blower fan, which feeds into our 2-inch dry fertilizer plumbing. The dry fertilizer system is standard with 2-section control for each dry product that is being applied. The row units feature blockage monitors, which will alert the operator inside the tractor cab on a separate monitor if a row unit becomes blocked. You can also see our standard diffusers, which drops the dry fertilizer down into the slot created by the shank and gets rid of the extra air out of the back line. The DT models require 5 SCV hydraulic remotes on the tractor and a case drain hookup. The 2 additional SCVs that are required above the ST model are for the blower fan, which requires 20 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow, and the fertilizer meters, which requires 16 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow. Next, we have our LT models, or liquid fertilizer system models, which feature a custom molded 1,200 gallon tank capacity. The tank features a T-shaped design, which holds the last 50 gallons of liquid in the sump to always maintain a primed pump, even on side hills. And this also allows the inner tires to be on 60-inch centers for a compact transport window. Inside the tank, we have a stainless steel baffle that prevents the liquid from shifting back and forth abruptly when you're slowing down or speeding up. At the rear of the tank, we have a standard 3-inch quick fill so you can quickly get back to the field, and we also have a standard manual tank agitation valve to keep the liquid product in proper suspension. The liquid fertilizer system is powered by a hydraulically operated ACE 750 PWM pump, and the toolbar features 4-section control for added versatility. For increased durability, we do have an optional ACE 755 stainless steel PWM pump available in lieu of the standard pump. Standard flow ball monitors allow the operator to quickly and conveniently check the flow to each row. 4 SCV hydraulic remotes are required on LT models, where the 1 extra SCV required compared to an ST model controls the hydraulic pump. We also have an optional chemical inductor available for LT models for easily adding micronutrients or stabilizer from the ground level. Thanks for tuning in to our virtual release of the Unverferth Raptor Strip-Tillage tool. It was our goal to provide growers with a complete strip tillage and fertilizer application solution focused on narrow transport, operator convenience, and the most reliable row unit for varying soil types. With the wide range of frame and shank options and the innovative Terrain Pro row unit, you'll be sure to find a Raptor Strip-Tillage tool that can help boost your crop's yield, conserve your soil structure, and save you time and fuel on each tillage pass. For more information, we invite you to visit umequip.com or see your nearest dealer today.